Hi there. Today we will learn how to remove bloatware from your Windows 11 PC properly. These bloatware may affect your PC performance, and these are not seriously used by many users. So cleaning them will be a plus for the PC users and set the PC faster. So, let's start. If you go to Start, you will find some of them installed. And we can simply right-click and remove them by uninstall. But, to get them all, we need to go to Add or Remove Programs. Here, just look for the programs you saw in the chart in the image. And uninstall them one by one. Keep doing this until all the apps are gone from the system. There may be other ways to do this using PowerShell, Windows debloater scripts, and reinstalling Windows with debloated ISO. But I like doing this way so that I can be assured of the apps being removed. So, this is the simple way you can remove bloatware off Windows 11. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.